I'm Bre Mouser and I'm with Duncan Brothers Customs over here in Redline. We build vintage cars and modern vintage cars. Modern vintage cars are where you take a new chassis car and you put an older looking body kit on it. They look pretty cool. My favorite thing that I've worked on since I've been here has been our SEMA build last year for 2023, the FrankenBoss. The hood of the FrankenBoss has 68 GTO hood scoops on it, and that was actually quite a bit of fabrication work between metal and fiberglass and having to really bodywork that in there. All of the crazy cool custom stuff that we got to do on it, that's what I like, so that was up here for me. I actually really enjoyed the collision repair program at WKCTC. I had a blast while I was there. The program actually will teach you the basics and get you your certs to get in the door with a collision shop. I learned how to weld in college, which you kind of need to know. I also learned how to do bodywork, your basic bodywork, which will turn into doing full cars. Also learned paint work and prep work, which is the most important step of doing any of this. If you can't prep, then it's gonna be a rough ride for you. I get to wake up and I get to come here, I get to cut up with all my coworkers, have a good time, get to build cool cars. Like, this job is all around a wonderful environment to be in. Everybody's fun, they keep it cool. We have a great time here and we build some really cool stuff.